Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Idan. I'm a yoga teacher and Pilates lover, and in this video I'm gonna share with you 3 abs and core Pilates exercises that you can do at home. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss a thing. Now, let's jump right into it. The first exercise is super simple to do and super powerful. I'm talking about Tippy Toes. I will show you how it's done. You start on your back. You lay on the back. Whip. You send the arms next to the body, palms facing down, and then you lift your legs into 90-degree position. So the knees in 90-degree, feet together. From here, from this position, what you do is super simple. You lower one leg down, almost touching the ground, and then lift back up. You lower down, and then you lift back up. Now, how you breathe? You take a deep breath in on the way down, and then exhale on the way up. Breathe in and out through the mouth on the way up. Now, if it's too easy, you can send both legs together. So breathe in and out. In and out. Now make sure that once you lower the legs, that the lower back don't become super arch. If this is what happened to you, if you do something like this, then you've gone too far. So try to keep the lower back down, flat on the mat, and lower the leg just to the point where the back starts to separate from the ground. Then you stop in here. Maybe this is the maximum, maybe this is the maximum. It's up to you, to your body. And then you lift up. Repeat for 8 to 10 repetitions on each leg, or if you do both, simply go for 8 repetitions. And this is the first exercise. Let's move to the second one. The second exercise is super challenging but super powerful. I'm talking about the crisscross, aka the bicycles. Super powerful to tone the side muscle, the obelisk. How it's done? You lay on the back. Once again, same starting position. From here, you lift the chest, but not towards the legs, but towards the sky, towards the ceiling. Interlace the fingers behind your head, elbows to the sides, and then from this 90-degree position, you send one leg forward in 45 degrees, the other one stay at the same position. And then what you do, you lift up and then cross, elbow towards the knee, and then lower down. You exhale out, up, and then you breathe in and lower. Exhale, and lower. Now if you need, you can take an extra breath in here, and then do 8 to 10 repetitions on one side before moving to the other one. Oh yeah. Now remember, it's super important not to try to just do this. Try to lift the back of the mat and chest towards the sky, and then cross. Okay? So you lift up towards the sky and then cross. Super powerful, super challenging. Try it, and let's move to the third one. The third exercise is my favorite one. Super powerful. How it's done? You start seated with your legs in front of you. Flex your feet. If it's too challenging, you can bend the knees a little bit. Now from this position, you send the arms, palms facing towards each other. And then you roll halfway backwards. Belly in. Maybe this is your maximum. Maybe you can go a bit deeper. Up to your body. Just do what you can. Don't try to push too hard. Flex your toes, and then from this position you open one arm to the side and exhale back to center. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Repeat for 8 to 10 times and then move to the other side. Now, if it's too easy for you and you want to challenge yourself a little bit, you can grab a weight. Those are 1 kilo weights, super light for me, but for you it might be just enough. So just light weights. Do the same thing. You roll backwards and then you do the same thing. You breathe in, open, and breathe out to center. Breathe in and breathe out. Slow control movements. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep the hips stable at all time. Don't do this. Don't move too much. Only the arm is moving. Maybe this is the maximum. So this is the maximum, and then you come back to the center. 10 to 8 repetitions, 8 to 10 repetitions on each side. Super simple. So there you have it, 3 abs and core Pilates exercises that you can do at home to tone, well, the abs and core. Now if you want to tone the entire body, the legs, the butt, the thighs, the arms, then I have a workout cheat sheet for you, completely free. You can grab it up in here or below this video. Grab it and add more exercises into your life and those exercises as well. So thank you for watching. Hit the like if you enjoyed this video and share it with a friend or two that can find this video helpful. I will see you on the next video, and until then, always remember to move your body because it just makes life better. See you. Bye bye.